Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bootable USB with Windows 11 in 5 steps. Step 1. Plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it's at least 8 GB of storage. Step 2. Go to Microsoft website and download the ISO file. Step 3. Download Rufus. Step 4. Open Rufus and do the following. Select the ISO file you downloaded earlier. In the Image Options section, select Extended Windows 11 Installation, no TPM, and leave everything as it is. Now start the process. Step 5. Wait. That's it. Now you have a fully bootable pen drive with Windows 11. If that helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.